Depending on how your vehicle is equipped, you could have up to 9 cameras. Let's take a look. First, if your vehicle is equipped, the available rear vision camera system is usually located at the rear of your vehicle near the bow tie or tailgate handle. If your vehicle is equipped with the available HD surround vision system, you'll have 3 additional cameras for this feature. 1 on the front, located in the grille, and 2 on the sides, located underneath the side view mirrors, in addition to the available rear vision camera mentioned earlier. If you have a trailer, you can also order up to 2 accessory cameras that can be mounted inside the trailer and on the rear of the trailer. If your truck is equipped with an available bed view camera, it is located in the center high-mounted stop lamp. If you have an available rear camera mirror, the camera is usually located near the center high-mounted stop lamp or bow tie, or in the antenna, the rear spoiler, or the back of the roof, depending on your vehicle. It may also be positioned next to the rear vision camera if equipped. If you have the available curb view cameras, they use the surround vision cameras on the side view mirrors. And finally, there is also a camera behind the center of the windshield that's used for active safety features like automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control if equipped. But what happens when all of these cameras become dirty? This can impair the picture quality of the camera, so it's best to clean them regularly. In properly equipped vehicles, when the rear window washer is used, it also washes the rear camera mirror. To activate it, just push the windshield wiper lever away from you. While for vehicles equipped with a camera washer, simply push the windshield wiper lever away from you to activate both the rear camera mirror washer and the rear window washer. Be sure to also clean the cameras manually in the front and under each side view mirror using water and a soft cloth, and keep your windshield clean as well. It's that easy to care for your vehicle's camera system.